Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which actually allows you to bulk download all the images which are present in the website at once. So if you open any website in Google Chrome and if you do want to download all the images that you see at once, you can install this extension. It's got 40,000 installs. It's called as image downloader Surikata. So if you go to extensions, directly type the name and this will come right here. So find and download all images on a web page bulk. You click on add to Chrome. This will simply download this extension directly inside your machine. So once it is downloaded, you can activate this. So this will appear something like this. So now if you go to any website, let's suppose I go to marksheetgenerator.com. So right here, all the images which is present, so I simply click on that. So basically you can see it automatically extracts all the images which are present in the website. You can see that. So all the images which are present, it's actually showing you a total of 14 images. So right here you have the option to download all images. You click the button, download all, and basically a zip file will be downloaded. You can open the download folder. So basically what you see, all the 14 images are being successfully downloaded. So you can see that. So all the 14 images have been successfully downloaded. So in this easy way, this is the extension. You can go to any website. Let's suppose you go to Google, simply search for anything. So a lot of images are present. You click on this extension. So now what it will do, it will extract all the images. You will see that it's extracting it. A total of 206 images have been extracted, and you can see the list. So basically, if you are visiting a website which contains a lot of images, manually scrolling it takes a lot of time. So rather than, you can use this extension, it will automatically extract all the images as you scroll down. So it will scroll down automatically, it will fetch all the images. You can see that. So I think it's a very good extension. You can see it can extract up to unlimited images. How many images are present? So 559. So every image will be extracted. So now you simply click download all, and each and every image will be downloaded inside your machine. So definitely check this extension out, guys. Image downloader, bulk image downloader for Google Chrome.